What up, guys? Sorry, but my other video got canceled somehow. But I'm playing spore today. And this is my creature right now. I just got in the game, but it messed up, so I'm back at right now. But this is the creature I created, so at least y'all didn't have to watch the whole thing. Maybe some of y'all do, maybe some of y'all don't. But I'm gonna go back in here. It kind of looks ugly right now, but not better. Few seconds. Alright, here we are. Alright, for right now, I'm gonna keep him on his back right here. I'm gonna make him all the way down his spine. But right now, I don't have enough money. So let's go. What it looks like right now. Well, he'll look a little bit better once his skin comes back in just a few seconds. It looked kind of cute. Yeah. Dang. Mhm. Oh yeah, dance for that. Dance for them. Dance for them. Can I grow up now, please? Watch him, watch him, watch him. Yeah, bro. Put a leader. I'm the leader. Alright, let's have a dance party, bro. If I win, you come on my side. Yeah, I won, so come on. Follow me. Yay, we're friends. What up? Yeah, you're cool, everybody. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hello. If you know what I mean. Let's just stand back a little bit. Roar at him. Charge. Get him. Oh yeah. The reason you can't hear my sound right now, you will once I pay the $18 pro thingy. But right now you won't be able to. But I will do that soon. All you'll be able to hear right now is me. Unless I turn it up a lot. One more. Get him, bro. Got him. Let's go. I'm gonna go eat. My teammate's done. I'm a little hungry. What my plan is to kill everybody surrounding me. Every team surrounding me. I'm gonna be a predator. What is that like? Bounce? Thank you. Got him. Alright, I'm gonna eat a little bit. Go to this guy's house. We're not gonna make no friends. Always gonna kill them. Oh, what are y'all? Alright. They look very this guy's tough. Get him. Yeah. Oh, get him. Feel like I got some spiny thing. He thinks he can hide. Nope. Just checking how loud it is. Let's see if in the game I can make it a little louder. Settings. Auto settings. Yes, hi, Singa. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear it, but you're not gonna be able to hear it, but sorry. Now let's go say hello to those neighbors. Watch us sneak up on them, ready? What? Get him. Like, he fights back, bro. Where's my other teammate? There we are. What are you doing, teammate? Finally, he's helping. Alright. Alright, go up and eat. Yeah, get him. Dang, we gotta kill one more? Alright. You ready for this? Get him. Where is my teammate? Finally, bro. You don't even get to share nothing with me. This is all mine. I'm going back to base. Yeah, y'all guys too. Annoy that background. Like, I think that's my duck. Yeah, I think that's my duck. That's my duck talking. Nobody. Wait, I'm waiting to call my mom. Retard. Where'd my family go? All I got is one egg. Where'd you go? Oh yeah, shake that butt. Yep. This video is gonna be 14 minutes or like 14 and like a little bit. I'm gonna try to make all my videos like that until I get my whatever. First things first, really. Alright, so yeah, don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why they look like different spikes. Oh, because there are different spikes. Because this is the one from the start, yeah. I don't want your tail to be ugly like this. This is one way that I do it. It's not like the best way, but that's what I can find. It's the best way I can find if you can hear me. Yeah, I'm spending a long time on this, sorry. Because this is about to be at the end of the video. There we go. You look how cool. It looks pretty cool. Alright guys, sure. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna do one more thing real quick before I go. Alright, see you guys.